So we set up our first email list called the Secret Affiliate Machine, and now it's time for us to connect that to our Secret Affiliate Machine funnel so that ClickFunnels knows once that somebody puts in their email, they get added to this list, okay? So what we're gonna do is go over here to ClickFunnels and click on Funnels and go to our Secret Affiliate Machine. Okay, and you want to go over here to the very first page saying opt-in, okay, and you want to click the yellow button saying edit page. Now the ClickFunnels editor will open up, and you could edit everything in here, but just leave everything as it is because all we want to do is connect the email list with the funnel itself, okay? So once somebody puts their email in here and moves to step number 2, okay, ClickFunnels knows this email address gets added to the list, okay? So go to settings, go to integrations, and on the right-hand side, this pop-up will show where it says autoresponder integration not connected, okay? So we want to go down to integration and select null actionetics, okay? And then for the action, we're going to select add to list. And then for the list to add, we're going to select our Secret Affiliate Machine, the list we've just created, okay? So click on this one, and now it says connected. Awesome. And that's basically it. Now we connected our Secret Affiliate Machine, which is in your account, to your email list that you just set up within Actionetics that's part of ClickFunnels, okay? So now these two are communicating with each other. So in the next lecture, we are going to set up a auto funnel, okay, an action funnel, I'm sorry, where we're gonna tell ClickFunnels, hey, listen, so once somebody signs up, send them this email, then wait for 1 day and then send them this email, and then wait for another day and send them this email, okay? And you don't need to write all of those because I have them packaged for you and you can access it. So gonna walk through that in the next lecture.